I tried to do that as gentle but yet aggressive as I could. Welcome to my new kind of series called Focus Friday Shorts. I know, it's not really a creative name, but just gotta flow with it because I want this to be some of the shortest things on this channel. Today I want to talk about this is my Moza Air 2. It is a great gimbal, however, it has very poor battery life, and I do mean life because these things die. When one dies, you can't power it. So here's my solution that I found from Galactic Force Media, which I will link in the description to their original video, but I just want to explain this more if you do have a Moza Air and if you have any other gimbal of how to power it without batteries. So these Ultrafire batteries are batteries that you should not buy because if they die, if they somehow burn out, short circuit on you, you're going to be left without a powered gimbal. So here's what I learned after scavenging through the entire internet, or at least YouTube, of how to power this thing without any batteries. So the first thing that you're going to want is I have this Digiphoto. It is like an extra arm for your Moza, and it helps a lot. It even comes with a really nice neck piece for you to take the weight off of your arms. Now this handle here resembles a SMALLRIG. It has all the different holes, 1/4 to 3/8, and you can use SMALLRIG parts to fit onto it, and I'm going to show you what I have here. Now it doesn't have to be a Digiphoto one, it could just be a SMALLRIG one, but what other things that I bought, and I will link all of these down in the description so you too can have this fix, because it's a shame that if you have a good gimbal and you can't use it. Now the other parts that I have here, I have just a normal cheese plate. It came with screws, however the screws did not go the whole way through, or at least the length that I needed to. So I bought a hex screw from Lowe's or Home Depot, I forget which one, but I have a screw there, and on top of that I actually do have a SMALLRIG product. It is this SMALLRIG V-mount, and now I think you know where I'm going with this. The main component here is that I have this Neewer V-mount battery. It is a 14.52 volts. One of the items that I bought is a D-tap just power bank battery, which it has two things. You can charge it in here at the USB where my finger is, or you can charge it with the D-tap battery. And on top of that, to power it all, I have this D-tap mount. You can't see it, there is a thing on the side of the Moza Air 2 where you can power it externally. Let me see if I can just get this battery mount into it. So you take the V-mount battery and you put it into the V-mount holder, and so there it is. All you have to do is plug it in. So now I'm going to show you guys that this is indeed powered on here live. I'm doing a cardinal sin. You shouldn't start this without a camera on it, but we do this for the love of photography and film. And as you can see, it does move. And now, yeah, it went into sleep mode because I don't actually have a camera on it, but I don't know if you can see the screen there. It is, in fact, indeed on. So there you have it, everybody. This is a very good, and it doesn't add that much weight onto it. It's a very good fix for if you have any type of gimbal problems. Now, I have this Moza Air 2. I don't know if it works with a DJI Ronin S or any of the other gimbals, but I assume as long as they have the plug that you can connect the D-tap into the, I don't actually know what kind of plug goes into the Moza Air, but as long as you have this D-tap battery, and it's going to be in the description below. So I know I said last week that I had an idea for film, to do a film kind of thing on why I like film, but I figured that it would actually help a lot more if any of you are in the same situation as me, that you have this kind of tool that you can't use unless it's powered. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, it would really help me out, and I hope you all had a very informative time. So thank you again, and I cannot stress this enough. Ha. I'll catch you guys later.